Okay, a little look round Gavin Smith's 2005 Vauxhall Astra sport hatch British touring car chassis, which we have managed to rescue from a local motorsport college. The car has been there for probably about 10 years or so, probably a little bit more, sat on a stand outside in all weather. This is some damage which is, not too bad to sort out really. Least of the problems considering. This is proper chassis plate, number 15. Generally the car is quite straight considering, but it has been out in the elements, hence the inside has collected various leaves along the way and has produced its own compost, most of which has been scooped out by hand, but as you can see it's pretty horrible in there really. It's green, there's moss, there's things growing in it. But at the same time it still looks relatively good considering it's been out in the weather, in the elements, collecting water and anything else that went by. The underneath, there's a few really quite horrible bits as far as rust goes, but again it is salvageable. There's quite a lot of fabrication in the car. It's not the prettiest welding I've ever seen, but it's fit for purpose and it is a proper race car at the end of the day, which is quite nice. The whole shell would have been at some point probably picked from a production line and dipped, so all within the panels will look something like that. So we need to get it dipped again really to get all that rust out, see what's left of it, and go from there. There'll be a few panels that we'll need. Certainly some underneath, but for what we've seen so far, it doesn't look too bad. There we are, another project.